If your domestic or commercial enterprise suffered property damage, you may additionally have challenge getting the compensation you want for repairs. It is no longer constantly effortless to get your insurer to pay what you want to restore or exchange broken property or to preserve any other responsible celebration accountable for the harm they caused. Working with a residential property harm attorney from our group can make this system tons extra manageable. At 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫 Law Group Accident Injury Lawyers, PA, our group gives free consultations. You can talk with a crew member for free about your property injury declare today. We can assist you file your insurance plan declare or battle a denial. We do no longer agree with protecting your domestic repairs must be tough or time-consuming. Contact a domestic property harm legal professional nowadays to research more. Disclaimer: 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐫 Law Group Accident Injury Lawyers does now not manage vehicle accident property harm claims that are no longer phase of in present non-public harm or residential property harm case. Types of property damage claims our lawyers can manage. Property damage attorney. At 𝐘𝐨𝐮 Law Group, our group helps customers navigate many sorts of property injury claims. We grant a private contact no longer on hand at many different giant corporations and provide a free session and case review. Further, we have the resources, knowledge, and trip you need, however additionally provide a warm, personalized relationship with your lawyer. At the commencing of your case, you will meet your attorney. You will be aware of how to contact them, and they will be aware of your identify and the important points of your case. In addition, you can get right of entry to solutions and updates at once from your legal professional every time you need them. At 𝐘𝐨𝐮 Law Group, you and your case are no longer simply a number. Our residential and business property injury attorneys have tried litigating a large range of insurance plan claims and proceedings for our clients. We construct claims, file them, and battle denials. Then, if necessary, we take instances to arbitration, mediation, or trial. Keep in mind that if the relevant insurance plan service lacks a lifelike groundwork for a declared denial or undervalued determination, that can also represent awful belief conduct. We would then proceed with representing you in a lawsuit whereby we allege your insurance plan business enterprise acted in horrific belief and failed to act moderately on behalf of their policyholder. Our founding attorney, Matthew 𝐘𝐨𝐿man, is a nationally diagnosed trial attorney. Fellow accomplice 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐞𝐫 is a Florida Bar Board certified civil trial lawyer. Thus, he is regarded and professional in the self-discipline of litigation and jury trials. They have devoted their lives to hostilities for human beings who want and deserve a sturdy prison advocate. Stan can also serve as lead information on any property harm lawsuit our association handles. The kinds of property losses we should assist you get better compensation for include wind damage. According to the NOAA National Severe Storms Laboratory, winds that exceed 50 to 60 miles per hour will probably reason injury to prone timber and structures. Even securely anchored cellular houses can also be at hazard with 80-mile-an-hour gusts. Each year, extra than half of all extreme climate reviews throughout the United States contain harsh winds and wind damage. Most manifest throughout robust thunderstorms, even though hurricanes and different storms can additionally carry excessive winds. Most householders' insurance plan insurance policies cover wind damage. Wind harm makes up over 40% of domestic insurance plan claims. Water damage. When submitting an insurance plan declare and getting better compensation, you ought to understand that water harm differs from flood damage. Water injury may additionally show up due to the fact of frozen pipes, a burst pipe, a gap in the roof, or different methods that enable water into the home. This can result in harm to flooring, appliances, walls, and non-public property. Sometimes, it takes place alongside different sorts of residential property damage. For example, winds purpose timber to fall on the roof. This reasons a massive hole, and rain pours in earlier than the house owners can safely cowl the gap with a tarp. Hail damage. Large hail can reason great property damage. It can damage siding and roof materials, leaving the shape and chance of extra injury from rain and wind. Wind and hail injury charges policyholders billions of bucks in protected losses and charges of repairs. This skill some people will likely want to file an insurance plan declare following an extreme hailstorm. Hail typically happens with thunderstorms. While NOAA reviews giant hail many times strikes in Nebraska, Colorado, and Wyoming, it can occur almost somewhere